वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं 2024 का स्लॉट 1 का LRDI का पेपर हम लोग ऑलरेडी पहले वीडियोस में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज गो एंड चेक देम आउट। टुडे वी आर हियर टू सॉल्व स्लॉट 2 ऑफ ईयर 2024। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज। An online e-commerce firm receives daily integer product ratings from 1 through 5 given by the buyers. The daily average is the average of the ratings given on that day. The cumulative average is the average of the all ratings given on or before that day. Okay. So now we are given the cumulative averages for day 1 and day 2, that is 3 and 3.1. And here we are given the figure for day 2. So these are the number of buyers and these are the ratings. We are given some additional information for day 3. So 100 buyers gave product ratings on day 3. The mode of the product ratings were 4 and 5. The number of buyers giving each product rating are non-zero and a multiple of 10. So it should be the multiple of 10, 10, 20 or anything else, but it should be non-zero. The same number of buyers gave product ratings of 1 and 2, and that number is half the number of buyers who gave a rating of 3. Okay, so let's start solving. We are given day 1, day 2 and day 3, and we are given following information about all these 3 days. The number of buyers, the average and the cumulative average. Now let's take out the direct information that we get from the question. So the cumulative average for day 1 and day 2 is given, that is 3 and 3.1. As we know, the cumulative average is the average on that particular day and the day before. So now for day 1, if the cumulative average is 3, the average will also be 3. And we are given that 100 buyers gave product ratings on day 3. So this will become 100. Okay. Is anything else? Okay. Now we can find out the average for day 2. So the average for day 2 can be the number of buyers into ratings upon the total number of buyers. So let's see what the average of day 2 comes out to be. 5 into 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 5 into 3 plus 20 into 4 plus 5 into 10, and the total number of buyers would be 50. So this will come 150 by 50, that is 3.4. So we got the following information that the number of buyers were 50 and the average comes out to be 3.4. Okay, now we have the cumulative average for day 2. Cumulative average is the average on that day and the day before. So with the help of this, can we find out the number of buyers on day 1? Okay, so let's assume the number of buyers on day 1 were A. Now cumulative average is the average on that day plus the day before. From this I can get that my A is 150. Solving this equation, I get A as 150. Okay. Now about day 3, we are given a very important information that the same number of buyers gave product ratings of 1 and 2, and that number is half the number of buyers who gave a rating of 3. So if 20 people gave rating of 3, so rating of 1 and 2 will be given by 10 and 10. Okay. Now let's see for day 3. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ratings, if 2x of rating was given for 3, x and x will be given for 1 and 2, and modes of 4 and 5 will be y. So we are given that the total number of buyers of 100. We have to give the number of buyers should be in the multiple of 10. Okay, so here we can't give 10, the total needs to be 100. Okay, we can't even give 20 because this is 2x and this is x and x. So the 30, 40 or 50 can be given. Also 50 and 50 can't be given to 4 and 5. Okay, so we are left with 30 and 40. 40 and 40 gives 80, and 20 needs to be distributed over here. Since it should be a multiple of 10 and 20 needs to be distributed among 3 people, so it's not possible that it will be multiple of 10. So we are only left with 30 and 30. If 30 and 30 are here, 60, we are left with 40. Then we can say that 10, 10 and 20. Okay, so now we can find the average for day 3. Average of day 3 turns out to be 10 into 10 plus 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 20 into 3 plus 30 into 4 plus 30 into 5 divided by 100. This will give me 360 by 100. That will be 3.6. So the average for day 3 will be 3.6. Okay, now we are only left with cumulative average of day 3. Cumulative average is the average of that day and the days before. Okay, so now we can say that cumulative average for day 3, cumulative average for day 3 will be number of buyers into average of day 1, 150 into 3 plus 50 into 3.4 plus 100 into 3.6 divided by 300. That will come out to be 3.2666. Okay, so ये 3.2666 हो गया. Okay, now we have completed the chart, all the information we have here. Now let's see the first question. How many buyers gave ratings on day 1? So 150 buyers gave ratings on day 1. Let's move on to the next question. What is the daily average rating of day 3? So the daily average rating of day 3 is 3.6. So option 4, 3.6. Now, what is the median of all ratings given on day 3? Now, we know that rating of 1 was given by 10 buyers, of 2 was given by 10 buyers, of 3 was given by 20, 4 and 5, 30, 30. So, we need to find out the median for day 3. Median would lie at 50 buyers. So 10, 10, 20 plus 20, 40. So median will lie something over here, that is at the rating of 4. So the answer turns out to be 4. I hope that's clear to you. Now, which of the following is true about the cumulative average ratings of day 2 and day 3? Okay. The cumulative average of day 3 increased by less than 5% from day 2. The cumulative average of day 3. Okay, so we can find out that the cumulative average for day 3 was 3.266, and for day 2 it was 3.1. That will be 0.166. that will something be around 5.2 something. So I can say that the cumulative average of day 3 increased by percentage between 5% and 8% from day 2. So option 3 is the answer. Okay, so we are done with the set. If you liked my explanation, do like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.